Hey, you want it?
No, take the cuffs off him. Mr. Ford, you are charged with disorderly conduct.
Yes.
According to the police report, the police were on detail in Kennedy Plaza, and they were drawn to an incident that was taking place in front of the CVS on Fulton Street. They saw two subjects who were yelling at each other who appeared to be getting ready to fight. The police did observe in your hand an orange box cutter, and they saw you taking a fighting stance. As a result, the police were able to subdue you, take the box cutter from your hand. They subsequently discovered that it was not extended, so it wasn't open. You were taken to Central Station and charged with disorderly conduct. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. Can you afford an attorney, sir?
No, sir.
All right, so the city will appoint a public defender for you.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to continue this case. The matter will be set down for trial on December 16th of this year. At that time, there will be an attorney present to represent you. I'm going to plead you not guilty, and I'm going to release you on your own promise to come back on $200 personal recognizance.
Okay. Can I say me and my mother loves your show?
I beg your pardon, sir?
Me and my mother loves your show.
Your mother loves
Yes.
to watch a TV show called Court in Providence?
Yes.
Is there anything you want to say to your mother?
How you doing, Mom?
You want to say, Mom, I didn't do it?
Mom, I didn't do it.
Right. It was all the police's fault.
This guy was like 280 pounds, 6'6", you know, so.
Yeah, what else you want to tell your mother? Say, Mom, he got away and I'm here. Huh?
I was the stupid one.
Say, Mom, this isn't right. Tell her. This isn't right. I got to say, the judge told me in the police report the other guy got away and they arrested me.
Hey, sometimes that's what happens, you know.
Oh.
I guess, you know, I do admit I was the stupid one to take out the box cutter, but, you know.
Yeah.
He was bigger than me, and he had another friend with him, so.
Oh. It was 2-on-1.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But I was not planning on, you know, using the box cutter.
I mean, I'll listen to you, but before I listen to you, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Okay? Because I have an obligation to do this. You have the presumption of innocence, right?
Yes.
You have the right to have the city prove each and every allegation beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
And you have the right to present witnesses on your behalf and cross-examine witnesses who may testify against you. And you have the right against self-incrimination, which means you don't have to say anything.
Okay.
Now, but if you want to say anything, I will not carry it over to trial.
Okay.
Right? But I'll listen to you. So, did you want to tell me anything? For your mother's sake, did you want your mother to hear this?
Well.
First of all, say, hey, Ma, and then talk to me.
Well, you know, I just, you know, just wanted to say that, you know, I was in fault of holding the box cutter, but, you know, this guy was, you know, way bigger than me. So I was just, you know, just holding it just to, you know, if he does swing at me, I would, you know, use it as a weight. You know, that's it.
Well, it wasn't open, so
No, it wasn't
you would
open.
not have been able.
It was turned backwards, actually.
You would not have been able to slash him based on the police report.
No, I was not definitely thinking about that.
But you thought you could take him anyway, huh?
Not really.
No?
But, you know, if he came at me, you know, it's gonna be just, you know.
Yeah. Were you drinking?
Huh?
Were you drinking?
No, I just came off work. He was drinking. I just came off work. Just got on the bus. He said, and.
Your Honor, I haven't had a chance to speak with the defendant, but I did learn from Inspector Carrigan that it precipitated on the bus. There was some words exchanged or whatever, and it carried out onto the street, at which time the other party was the more aggressive. Unfortunately, as you clearly stated earlier, the other party got away. Unfortunately, the defendant was stuck here. Your Honor, there's been several years since the last police contact, so city wouldn't object to a filing.
All right. I looked at the report, and it's a marginal situation.
Yes.
Okay. There's nothing that jumps out at me. You know, I mean, I think what happened was when the police saw the box cutter.
Yeah. When I seen him, he was like, I was like, oh.
They became rightfully concerned, obviously, but then they, to their credit, in the police report said that it wasn't extended, it wasn't open.
Yes, it wasn't.
I think this is a matter that we can resolve short of you coming back and having a trial, I think.
Most definitely.
Inspector Quinn has made an excellent recommendation. He has recommended, as the prosecuting officer, that I take no action on this case and that I continue it for a period of 6 months.
Okay, sure, thank you.
And that if you have no police contact in the next 6 months, that the case then be dismissed.
Okay,
Now, you don't have to take that. You can come back and have a lawyer. You can try the case. You can have a lawyer make a representation on your behalf. I want you to know, I want you to understand that I am not trying, to subvert your constitutional rights. I want you to know them, understand them, and make
a conscious decision.
make an informed decision.
Yes.
All right. So first of all, do you understand your rights?
Yes,
Second, do you accept the recommendation of Inspector Quinn?
yes, I do.
Okay, I'm prepared to institute that. Okay. This matter will be continued for a period of 6 months. If there's no further police contact, the matter will be dismissed, understanding, Mr. Ford, that if there is police contact, this matter will be reactivated.
Yes,
Do you understand that?
yes, sir.